Welcome to the AWS ecosystem. With over 200 services available, it is easy for back-end developers to feel completely overwhelmed by the scale today. We are cutting through the noise to focus on the essential 20 services that power most modern back-end architectures and cloud systems. Let us start with compute. This is the heart of your application, where your code actually runs and processes user requests. EC2, or Elastic Compute Cloud, provides virtual servers. Think of it as a raw computer in the cloud where you manage everything. Then there is Lambda. This is serverless technology, allowing you to run code without managing any underlying infrastructure or operating systems for containerized applications. AWS offers ECS and X. These services help you manage Docker and Kubernetes clusters at any scale. Finally, API Gateway acts as the front door, routing incoming traffic to your compute resources while handling security and rate limiting, moving to storage, S3, or simple storage service. There's an industry standard for storing objects like images, logs, and backups. For relational data, our DS and Aurora provide managed SQL databases that handle backups, patching, and scaling automatically for you if you need extreme speed and NASQL flexibility. DYNA MODB is the answer, offering single-digit millisecond latency for massive workloads. To speed up global access, CloudFront uses a network of edge locations to cache your content closer to your users worldwide. Now, let us talk about networking, the VPC, or Virtual Private Cloud. Is your private corner of the AWS network? Inside your VPC, you use subnets to isolate public-facing apps from private databases, ensuring your data remains secure. Security groups and Route 53 manage who can access your resources and how domain names are. Resolved to IP addresses. Next is events and orchestration. These services allow your backend components to communicate asynchronously and reliably. SNS provides a publish-subscribe model, while SQS offers message queues to decouple your services and handle traffic spikes. EventBridge acts as a serverless event bus, making it easy to connect applications using data from your own apps and SaaS for real-time data streaming and analytics at high volume. Kinesis is the primary tool used by back-end engineers. Mastering these core services will give you the power to build almost any back-end application on Oz with confidence. Focus on the core. Dive deeper into specific services only when your project requires them. Thank you for watching.